Hello guys, you're welcome to this session. Like this is a new kind of hello guys, welcome to my daily trade and market analysis. So this is the first uh hello guys, hello guys. You're welcome to this first episode of my market of my daily market recap, right? So this is the first of its kind. I am always going to record my daily analysis and I'll put it out there for you guys on YouTube. Okay. And the first thing I have to do is I have to shape basically yeah, I start my trading at 9 o'clock um Western African time WAT, and that is basically it. So we have about 30 minutes until I start trading. All right. So we just check the calendar, and we've got called PPI at 2:30. We had unemployment claims yesterday, and it was pretty bad for me. Well, it's cool. I will show you guys what happened. And that's it. So the second thing I do basically after looking at forex factor is I look at the dollar index. So I analyze the dollar index first before I analyze any asset I'm trading, which is gold, right? So basically, my system is the backbone of my system is basically support and resistance, and everything I'm going to do is just based on support and resistance. And the dollar index, which is the DXY, is so important for me on my analysis of on my analysis and uh, potential knowing my bias on on gold, right? So basically, I am going to start with my analysis now. Okay, so um, for every analysis I am doing a real-time market analysis, right? So, but first, before I start this, I would want to tell you that for everywhere you see weak, for everywhere you see weak on the chart, before I start, for everywhere you see weak on the chart, it's a resistance. And for everywhere you see weak below, it's a support, right? So that's basically the first concept that you have to know. So we've got support and resistance all over the place, right? So this is basically what I'm going to do. I'm going to start my market analysis now, and this will be it. So we've got a resistance here. We've got a resistance here. Basically, we've got this resistance that I've been holding for a very long time here. If we use this week, right? But the resistance I've been holding and pushing price down, but on the real time, I can just put my resistance here. Right, so breaking this, if the market breaks this high, that's by a candle closing. If you got a candle, a green candle closing above here, that is a break of structure, right? And you can anticipate amounts, right? But basically, yeah, we've also got a support. Don't be confused about how I'm drawing the support though. Basically still I'm going to explain it, right? And this is a support that the market bounced on, and then pushed up that it did not break. So this green and this red, that's basically the support. You can actually put it on this week here. You can see we didn't have any break of any variation of structure below this level, right? So that is the analysis on gold, right? Perhaps maybe on some other time we can get a clearer analysis. So, but right here and right now, for the DXY, this DXY can be a little bit complicated for you guys. But maybe when we get on gold, we'll see clearly what I need. But you can see this resistance holding, right? So we expect kind of a bullish momentum, like a little short-term bullish momentum on gold, but basically gold is bearish from what I'm seeing here. And as far as this support held, this support held, price did not close below this week. This week is the support. Right, so let's go to gold. I'm going to just switch on this. So what do we have on gold? We've got we've got this support here. We've got that support here. Excuse me. And we've got this resistance here, just on that week, just on this green week. So that's basically what we've got. So we've got support and resistance, and the support broke here, right? And this is basically a pullback. This is tradable though, right? And what else do we have? I'm seeing a little um support, like a break and retest here. This green and this red. The market, we've not had any retest on it, right? So I'm expecting the market to come and test this low, right? And what else do we have? I think this is basically what we have. We've broken structure to the downside. We've also dropped a little bit, and that's basically it. So basically, on the 4 hour, this is what we are expecting. Let's check the 15 minutes and see if we've got any compensation structure that we would want to take. Not now, though. So in everything that we do as traders, really, um, I feel or I think it is better we always avoid something like this type of structure, right? I think it should always be good if we avoid this type of structure, which is noise and accumulation, right? So that basically it. And that is our analysis on gold, and that is our analysis on EXY. And I think that will be it. I just want I want it to be short. I don't want it to be too long. Basically support and resistance. And if you've got any questions, you can ask me in the comment section, right? So that is it for today, guys. See ya.